Hey there, Excel. Right, I found a couple of things on your Amazon listing that are most likely costing you some sales. That being said, it's my job to point out potential opportunities to brands that prioritize Amazon. And if you're okay with it, I'd like to show you some things I've noticed. By the way, my name is Sean, and I am a account executive at My Amazon Guy. So jumping straight into it, if you take a look here, this is a tool used to look at keywords, and just looking at your keyword distribution, you are skewing low on PPC keywords, and this means you're likely underspending on keywords compared to your competitors. Also, your organic keywords are low, and you need to spend some more time writing keywords into your copy to index for additional keywords. So those organic keywords can be improved. If you look over here at this word cloud, these are the most important keywords for your listing. So there are thousands of additional keywords you can index for, and organic keywords help you get seen on Amazon without paying for ads. So essentially, it is free traffic. If we scroll down and take a look at some relevant keywords by search volume, for example, we have Katori cutting board. As you can see, this is a competitor, and they do sell a stainless steel cutting board. Right now, you're organically ranked at 89, but you're actually not bidding on this keyword. So being ranked in the double digits and also triple digits organically means your product is buried deep in the search results, making it difficult for customers to find you on Amazon. So by aggressively bidding on this relevant keyword, you can increase your visibility, but also improve your organic ranking. Also, just looking at some specific sponsored terms that you're running ads for, some of them seem like it's very irrelevant. As you can see right here, you have something like glass cutting board. Um, Chopping board. We got maple cutting board, plastic cutting board that you're running ads for. So you definitely want to negate some search terms if you're running some auto campaigns or even broad, because there's a lot of stuff in here that is very irrelevant, and that is just increasing your ad cost and also making your ACOs higher and tacos. You definitely want to cut out some keywords. But just going into this specific term, let's take a look at what pops up. As you can see right here, um, all these brands are advertising for this keyword, but I actually don't see you show up. And you might want to look into this. As you can see, it's very insufficient to just be ranked organically because Amazon has plastered all these ads to the top of the search results, and this is where majority of the sales happen. Going over here, this is how big your category is on Amazon. Just for this one keyword, there's about $785,000 in monthly revenue, and it looks to me there is a lot of market share still available for you to take advantage of. And we can help increase your market share through SEO by utilizing conversion and click-through rate as part of our SEO strategy. So going back to our listing here, some places where we can put in keywords. First place is the back-end search terms. This is viewable, so there's nothing to show. Next place is the title with up to 75 characters. As you can see, you're at 144, but you definitely want to reduce this because there has been a new update where the titles have to be 75 characters, or AI will rewrite it for you. The other place is the bullet points. As you can see, we can definitely flesh out some more keywords, so we can have 250 to 500 characters per bullet point. We like to joke, and it is true, that the photos are for humans and the text is for robots. This framework will change how you build your listings going forward. Speaking of images, I see you don't have a photo of a human looking at the camera. Show us your customer avatar, as it does increase conversion rates. But it looks like you do have some, infographics that describe the product, some lifestyle images showing the product in use. One other thing would be having a video as well, because that will help with conversion. For this image, it looks like there is some very small text. It's hard to read. So you want to stick with, less words and bigger text, just so when people come on the listing, they can see it more. Other than that, let's go down to the A plus content. Looks like you do have some A plus content, but it is standard A plus content. You do have some, benefits of the product. You have, you know, both sides. Looks pretty good too. More benefits. One thing you are missing is a brand story and a product grid. Quick example, if you look here, this is a brand from our founder, Stephen Pope. This is Age of Sage. As you can see, main image optimized for click-through rate, all the secondary images optimized for conversion. But scrolling down to the bottom, we have premium A plus content. As you can see, it's very well done. But one thing is you can have words of copy in that premium A plus content, so you can index and rank for additional keywords. One other thing is the product grid. This increases average order value by cross-linking your products. And then the brand story. This is important because what this does is it takes up more space so your customers don't click on a competitor ad on your listing. So you can put this above your A plus content or below your A plus content. And with that being said, here at My Amazon Guy, we are the largest single person owned Amazon agency. currently managing over $1.2 billion in revenue with over 430 clients. We do everything from Amazon PPC, SEO design, platform management, and much more, so you don't have to guess what's working because we have the data to back it. If you found this video helpful, book a call with me today and I'll share even more stuff I found when looking at your brand. Also, listen to your Amazon needs and if it makes sense, build you a proposal. Thanks for watching and I look forward to showing you more opportunities.